Drag the correct name to each if-then statement based on the statement given. If two numbers are 3 and 2, then their sum is 5. So we have the original statement, the converse, the inverse, and the contrapositive. The original statement, the logical equivalent is if P then Q, which is written this way using symbolic notation. And that's just the statement that's given, so we want to find if two numbers are 3 and 2, then their sum is 5. And that's this first one, so the first one is the original. So let's look at the next statement here. If two numbers are not 3 and 2, then their sum is not 5. So it looks like the hypothesis and conclusion are still in the same order, but there are nots in front. So in symbolic notation, that would be if not P, then not Q. And that's called the inverse. So this is the inverse statement. The next statement, if the sum of two numbers is not 5, then the numbers are not 3 and 2. For this one, the hypothesis and conclusion are switched, and also the nots are thrown in there. So it's the negation of the converse, essentially. So in symbolic notation, that would be if not Q, then not P. And that's called the contrapositive. So that's this one here. In this fourth one, if the sum of two numbers is 5, then the numbers are 3 and 2. So the hypothesis and conclusion are switched for this one, and there are no nots. So the logical equivalent in symbolic notation is if Q, then P. And that's called the converse. Okay, so that's how they match up.